Hi everyone. It's been a while since I made a video. I thought I'd talk a little bit about mixing some complementaries from the color wheel. I had mentioned that opposites on the color wheel go well together, and I thought I'd give you a couple examples of what I mean by that and how you can mix paint to make them really into some beautiful additional colors. So I'm going to start by I'm going to do this exercise with red and green. So I'm going to put some of this red down. This is a Nova Color cadmium red light. And then I'm going to put down some this. This is a phthalo green by Golden. And I'm going to put down a little bit of this chromium oxide of green, chromium oxide green by Golden also. And I want to show you that when you have any color on the color wheel and you put its opposite into the mix with it, you will immediately tone it down. So if I add some of this phthalo green to the red, it's going to tone it down. You can see what a deeper red tone it makes. And same thing for this chromium oxide green. If I add red to it, it tones it down. It tones it way down. So get that back to you can see how it instantly just takes it more into a grayed down, as we like to call it, shade or color. And if I add a little bit of the red to this phthalo green, look what it does. It gets deeper and deeper. I can add a little red to lighten it just a little, but it really makes a nice black. And then the other thing I want to quickly show you is how by adding white to any of these then really turns it into prettier, I shouldn't say prettier, just a different gray. So that really grayed down red turns into a really pretty light reddish gray. And if I take the white and add it to this phthalo green, it really makes it into a really nice, pretty light gray. And then if I take the white and add it to this one, you can see how it makes a really pretty light, much warmer light gray. So that's something that you can work on your own and play around with mixing some of these complementary colors together and see how you do. Okay, leave comments and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.